Hello, welcome back to our tutorial on inverse proportion. This time around, I will go through question number 3 on the left side of our screen here. It's given by S is inversely proportional to T. Okay, so the first step that we write down here is S is inversely proportional to T. So if you watch my previous video, where it's direct proportion, it will be S equals to KT. Okay, so notice the difference. This is for direct, okay, and this is for inverse on the left hand side. So generally, for inverse proportion, there is a fraction in your on this side, but for direct, it is not really a fraction. Okay, so this is the first difference, and you must make sure you're aware of this one. All right, so as per the same process for direct proportion, part 2 or second thing is they tell us S is equals to certain value. S is 22 when T equals to 10. And what do you do with these two values? You substitute into the main equation. So therefore, you have 22 is equals to K over 10. Find the value of K, so K equals to 2 to 0. What do we do with this value of K is we get our equation connecting S and T. Therefore, S is equals to 2 to 0 over T. And you must make an effort to remember this is your formula for this particular question. Okay, you're going to use this for the next two parts. So in part in part B, find the value of S when T equals to 5. So T equals to 5, S equals to the question. Okay, so therefore, using the formula, S is equals to 2 to 0 over 5. Therefore, S is equals to, using your calculator again, and you will get 44. Okay, and this is the value of S when T is equals to 5. So for part C, when S is equals to 13, find the value of T. So using the same formula, so now instead of S is 13 equals to 220 over T. So in this part, you need to use your algebraic knowledge, right? How to get the value of T. So T is simply 220 over 13. And again, using your calculator, 220 divided by 13 is equals to 16 and 12 over 13. Okay, so use your calculator to your advantage and you will get the answer. So just to summarize again, please remember you know the difference between inverse and direct proportion. For inverse proportion, it is K over the whatever is the variable. All right, but for direct proportion, K is just beside the variable. And read the question carefully. If we look at question number 5, it says Q is inversely proportional to P plus 9. So you have to make sure you write Q is equals to K over P plus 9. And make sure you stay consistent with that two variables. Right? Okay, so please stay tuned for our next two videos where I will go through the more challenging questions for proportion. All right, see you soon.